My name is Peter Steidl. I have written a number of books on neuromarketing and brain development and other interesting aspects, and I've carried out assignments in more than 20 countries on 5 continents. However, this video is not about me. It's sending greetings to the Institute for Neuromarketing in Zagreb, and in particular to Dr. Heather Martinez-Sola. But let me paint the background a little bit. We have learned more about how the brain works and how we make decisions and what is driving how we feel, think and act in the last few years than ever before. From a practitioner's point of view, there are 2 key areas. One is strategy development, the other one is de-risking strategies. So let me briefly talk about strategy development. Today we understand more about drivers of behavior, including the hardwired drivers in people's minds that drive them to seek shortcuts, excitement, wanting to belong, to explore, and so on. And of course, understanding these circuits helps to develop a strategy that is really focused and that is more likely to influence the behavior of our target group. So these are very important insights neuroscience has delivered. It doesn't matter if you aim at consumers, at shoppers, at citizens, at tourists, employees, or other groups. As long as human behavior is involved, these circuits are driving what will happen. Importantly, the incremental cost of using those insights is often close to zero. Now, once you have developed strategies, of course, we go on to de-risking, because you want to make sure your strategy is working. You probably want to optimize it. And there are numerous neuroscience-based tools that can be used to de-risk strategies and ensure their impact. From the response time test that adds an implicit measure to explicit survey responses, to physiological measures like eye tracking, galvanic skin response, fMRI, EEG, facial coding, and other means, we can get a sound reading on how our strategy and its execution impact on how our target group feels, thinks, and acts. Strategy development and de-risking strategies are challenges the Institute for Neuromarketing in Zagreb is addressing, utilizing the latest neuroscience-based concepts, insights, and tools. By doing so, Dr. Sola and her colleagues bridge the gap between the neuroscience community and the practitioners who want to lift the effectiveness of strategies and their executions. Their work is more than a little interesting and exciting, and I look forward to staying in touch with them as they continue to break new ground.